Today officially marks the end of COVID vaccine clinics in Vermont. This as Congress members in Washington battle over when to end the COVID emergencies declared by the White House in early 2020. ABC 22's Matt Holderman joins us live from the newsroom with details on some of these changes here. Hi, Matt.
Hi, Lauren. Well, officials with Vermont's Department of Health say the reason they're doing away with vaccine clinics is demand related. They say it's decreased to the point where the clinics are not needed anymore, but vaccines will continue being offered in many other ways. Health officials in Vermont are making a change to how people can access COVID-19 vaccines across the state. The health department announced in early January that the last day of the month would be the final day all state-run walk-in vaccination clinics would be open. Officials say the reason is a change in demand at the clinics.
We know that most of the demand has largely been met. And so when you put all of those things together, the necessity for having these free walk-in clinics throughout the state is really starting to lessen and lessen.
The health department says demand for COVID vaccines dropped across the state from 85,000 doses given out in October to 24,000 in December and less than 10,000 in January. And people aren't going to state-run clinics to get their shots. Data shows more people are choosing to get vaccinated by their primary care providers rather than at clinics.
So what we're really starting to see is that more and more people are returning to a sense of normalcy where they're going to their primary care provider or to a pharmacy to get vaccinated. And that's a good thing. That's our normal system that we've sort of always relied on pre-pandemic, which almost feels hard to even remember.
The change in vaccine access for Vermonters comes just days after President Biden announced the White House's federal COVID emergency measures will end this coming May. The topic has stirred up controversy among members of Congress. Some argue the emergency measures should end this week and say the pandemic is over.
The rest of the world's gone back to normal and the government hasn't. And it's time to catch up.
The pandemic is over, and there is no need for these declared emergencies to continue.
However, while demand for COVID vaccines has significantly dropped, Vermont health officials say the pandemic is not over since it is still impacting thousands of people.
To say that it's over, I think would really devalue a lot of people that are still living with the impacts of COVID.
And Ogilvy also says if you or anyone you know is having trouble accessing COVID vaccines in Vermont, you should call your local office of health, as they would be more than happy to help get you at the access to the vaccines. Live in the newsroom tonight, Matt Holderman, ABC 22 News.